Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to walk you through how to use Buffer in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a beginner or just looking for a reliable social media scheduling tool, Buffer is one of the best options for managing content across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and more. So without any further ado, let's right in and get started with Buffer. So here actually you can see this is the Buffer interface. You will get to see something like this, but before that we are going to talk about what actually is Buffer and why you need to be use it. So basically Buffer is a social media management platform and that helps you to manage your social media, like plan and schedule post in advance, publish content across multiple platforms from one dashboard, track engagement and analytics, collaborate with your own team, and even manage comments with paid plans. Buffer is great for content creators, small businesses, marketing teams, freelancers managing multiple accounts. Now let's see how you can use it, starting from sign up, scheduling your first post. So you just need to create your Buffer account. You just need to be head to the buffer.com and then click get started now option. Here you just need to provide your mail address, or you can click this one and it will redirect you to the next page where you just need to provide email address and password. So I am going to provide my email address in here, over here, and then I'll give the password. So I can use a strong password over here. Then I will save it. Just click sign in, and then you can sign it with your Google account, Apple ID or email also. So once logged in, Buffer will ask you connect your social media account. So here it will take a couple of minutes to verify am I really a human or not. This may take a few seconds. So let me tell you that Buffer support Instagram, businesses, personal, Facebook page and groups, then LinkedIn profile and pages, and X, former Twitter and Pinterest, TikTok with link reminders. Once connected, they will land in your dashboard where the magic will happen. So what actually happened, I don't know. I'll just click over here and then just click to the login. So here email or password does not match, so I just need to click over here. So maybe there is a couple of problem happen, so I just need to find the solutions. So let's solve the problem. So I am going to copy the thing and then I will create an account in that place. So now let's talk about, as you can see, we already landed into our dashboard, and this will be the interface when you will come over here, and the link will be published at buffer.com. So now here, let's say we are going to schedule a post. Now let's create and schedule your first post. You just need to click the create post option. You just need to go over here, and then here actually you can see we have an idea, like generate ideas. We can generate ideas from here. What is your business about, what is your target audience, and you just need to be tell that your audience is this, and then you can create one. So write your caption in the text box, add image, video or links, drag and drop and upload. So let's say I am going to click onto the new, and then you can create a post, and here you just need to be add what would you like to share, and you just need to be drag and drop image and then connect and channel to post. So this is so much easy. Before post it, you can preview how it will look on each platform. You can choose from share now, schedule post, pick a date and time, add QQ1, use your set posting time. Once scheduled, your post will appear on the calendar or QQ. So now let's talk about use the publishing calendar. So I'm going to discard this one. So here basically Buffer make it easy to manage your weekly and monthly schedules. You just need to go to the publishing tab in here, and once you come over that place, you can view your schedule post by list or calendar view in here. Actually you just need to click over your calendar and you can see all of this thing in that place. You can drag and drop to the reschedule, and you can click on the post to edit content or timing. You can set default posting times or each day in the setting tab under each social account. This helps automate your QQ, so you don't have to pick a time or every post. Then now let's talk about the collaborate with your team. Buffer allows team collaboration, especially useful for agencies and marketing teams. You just need to go to the manage team in here, and then you can actually manage your teams. You can invite team members by email, you can add a specific access to certain social channels, you can choose permission levels, for example post approvals read only, which paid plans you can even require post approvals before publishing, great for quality control. So these kind of things you will have to do in this Buffer. So now let's talk about the analytics and post performance. Buffer analytics tool, like let's say click to the no thanks, just click this one, and Buffer analytics tool helps you track your content is performing or not. Like you just need to go click over here, analyze, and then you can select platform and date range. Here you can see we have a couple of channels. If you just need to select one of them, and then you can view impression, engagement like share and comments, you can click through rates, and also you can view top performing post. This helps you understand what is working and what content your audience engaging with most. You can also export reports as PDFs, ideal of client reporting. Now let's talk about engaging with your audience. Buffer's engagement feature paid plan only help you to reply to comments and DMs for Instagram and Facebook all in one place. View recent comments and mentions, filter by unanswered or most recent, respond directly from your dashboard. This helps you stay consistent with your community engagement without switching between apps. Now let's talk about step 7, that is use the Buffer mobile app. Buffer also has a mobile app for iOS and Android. You can see there's the start page also. Now let's talk about this, that you can use it in your mobile phone also. So now let's talk about the integration and browse extension. Buffer integrate with Canva for designing posts, then Zapier for automations, WordPress, Pocket, and Feedly, and also Chrome and Firefox extensions share content from your web page. This integration streamline your workflow and let you create and schedule content faster. So let's give you final tips in here. So with Buffer you can schedule content in advance, you can manage multiple platforms from one dashboard, you can analyze your performance, and also you can collaborate with your team. You can respond to comments all from one tool. If you are serious about social media marketing in 2025, Buffer is must have. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you want a comparison video between Buffer and HotSuite or a deep dive into Buffer analytics. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.